Louie. Lou. Somebody does not like noises. What is that noise? Is something bothering you? What's that noise, Louie? Lou. Lou, what's the problem here? He does not like noises. What's the problem?